Hello everyone. Today we're going to be doing something a bit different, and instead of creating a 3D art, we will be making something in motion. So we will see some basics of stop motion animation. Also, as Barkingside Art Club, we support Black Lives Matter movement, and we will continue to introduce famous Black artists. So today we will be inspired by Kara Walker's artwork. So a brief introduction. Kara Walker is a contemporary American artist who works in several different areas. She's a painter, a printmaker, an installation artist, and a video artist. She's a very political artist who looks into issues like race, gender, and identity in her work. And today we will be inspired from the black paper cutout figures she makes that she uses in her videos. She usually uses them as puppets in her videos, but today we will do it a bit differently. And as I said, we will look into a very simple stop motion animation technique. So all you need for that is the cameras of your phones and a very simple to use app we will introduce that is for free, of course. Okay, should we get started? piece of paper. Let's make sure everything looks tip-top. Now, my work surface doesn't look too appealing for the sake of the video. So what I did, I'm gonna use plain paper. If you have a color paper, that looks amazing. If you have a very nice, I don't know, wooden table kind of a surface in your house, that would look amazing as well. So any kind of surface, a plain surface, you can use. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to tell you when I'm taking the photos and explain you the general logic, and then there's a mini tutorial about how to bring them together. So what I want my father and child to do is start far away. So when I say photo, I'm taking a photo. So right now I took a photo of this very scene, and then what I'm doing is I'm moving my father slightly towards the kid and then slightly bending him. I'm doing the same with the kid, as you can see, and then photo. Okay, and then what I'm doing is the father's body moves the separate way, but the general direction is still that way. The same happened with the kid. Photo. And the father is bent even further. We're following, and the same with the kids. Again, we're following with Kara Walker's footsteps here, making not exactly natural, but like dramatic body gestures. Photo. Okay. And then bend slightly forward again. Well, the father's back to neutral now. Photo. And the father slightly moved forward again. Photo. 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 And now, as they come closer once again, the father starts going down, starts the movement that we will continue, and the kid starts to go up. Photo. Now, this part, we don't want to move the legs too much anymore, just so slightly. The kid goes a bit more up. The father comes a bit more down. Now what I want is the father's arm to be outside the kid's. So the father continues doing that. The kid is now going a bit up, as in he's leaping. Photo. 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 Now we're going to write best dad. The way I'm doing it is I'm not gonna write it all at once. I want to write best here and dad here. I will do one line of my first line, photo. First letter, I'm sorry. The next bit, photo. The next bit, photo. So when we put these together, it's going to look like someone's writing it, as someone is. Photo. Photo. Doesn't have to be all letter by letter or all in the same speed. Photo. 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 We're going to have a jump. So we're going to take these two figures out of the frame, not slowly, and then place a heart here. Photo. And just to add some movement, we're going to remember the heart that we did a bit differently. So this will give us a few seconds to take in the heart. Photo. And I will do the same again a few times. Photo. 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 That might last one. Let's do one more. Photo. So it will stay in my screen a bit, but won't look just flat. It will be with a flickering heart. Okay, so let's move on to putting this together.